Hi, you're here to answer one question. How do you find the lowest mortgage rate? And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. First, let me ask you what may seem like an obvious question. Why do you want the lowest mortgage rate? Obviously, it would be to save the most money. So would it be fair to say the reason you're here is to save the most money? Because if you're looking to spend the most money, you can click off this video right now. So let's talk about saving you the most money. And here's a truth that most lenders won't tell you. You see, I could show you how to find the lowest rate, and then I could beat it by 0.25%. And you're probably thinking to yourself, great, Mike, that's what I came here for. But here's the thing. When I save you 0.25% on a $500,000 mortgage, and the reason I use that is because $480,000 is about the average mortgage right now in America. So if you're at 250, cut these numbers in half. If you're at $1 million, double it, 2 million, quadruple it. You get the idea though. So when I save you 0.25% on $500,000, that's going to save you about $84 a month. That's $1,012 a year. And if you paid that off over 30 years, because 90% of Americans take a 30-year fixed mortgage, then you'll save just over $30,000. But here's the problem with that. Most Americans move or refinance every 10 years or less. And for at least the first 10 years of your mortgage, you're paying mostly interest. And that's just a simple function of how amortization works. It's the reason why you're going to pay back over $1 million on that $500,000 loan, even if you have a rate at 5.5% or lower. So that 0.25% in rate is going to save you about $30,000 over 30 years, but it's nothing in comparison to the $500,000 you're going to spend in interest. And you're going to pay the majority of that interest in the first 10 years because that's the way every mortgage in America has worked since the 1930s. That is, until now. What if I told you that there's a mortgage that allows you to pay principal first? A mortgage that would allow you to pay off your mortgage in less than half the time. A mortgage that could save you 5 to 10 times more money than by me simply giving you a rate that's 0.25% below everyone else out there. Again, you did say you're here to save the most money, right? Well, I've got great news for you because that mortgage does exist and it's called the all-in-one loan from CMG. It doesn't matter how low your current rate is if you're looking to refinance, and it definitely doesn't matter how low of a rate you can find on the internet if you're looking to purchase a new home. So let me ask you, if I could potentially save you over $100,000 by showing you how to pay principal first, would it be worth 20 minutes of your time? If you haven't already seen it, start with this first video here from well-known economist Ben Stein, and then come back and watch this short video explaining how and why it works. I'll see you shortly.